Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be solving some problems on gross, net, and tare weight using what we learned yesterday about converting units of measurement of weight. So let's begin immediately. Here we have a problem that says a truck weighs 3 tons. It is then loaded with 1,538 kilograms of products. How much does the full truck weigh now? So since it's asking about the full truck, that means we are looking for the gross weight, which means we need to add the other two. Oh, but wait, there's a problem. One is in tons, the other is in kilograms. So we need to do 3 tons plus 1,538 kilograms, but one of these two weights is in tons and the other is in kilograms. So first we need to convert one of the two into the other. Now, as I've said before, I prefer to go down the ladder, so to convert the bigger unit of measurement, in this case the tons, into the smaller unit of measurement, in this case the kilograms. So in this case, I'm going to say that 3 tons is equal to 3 times 1,000 kilograms. Because to go from tons to kilograms, we go one step down, meaning we need to multiply by 1,000. And if you don't understand what I'm saying about converting the lengths, you probably haven't, converting the weights, you need to have watched yesterday's video. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, you're not going to be able to follow today. So go and watch yesterday's video first, and then come to this video. So 3 times 1,000 is going to give me 3,000 kilograms plus 1,538 kilograms. And we don't even need to write this vertically. We can just add these two because I'm adding 3,000, so only thousands are going to change. Become 4,538 kilograms. So there's our answer. The full truck weighs 4,538 kilograms. All right, next up. And if you need to copy any of this in your notebook or anything like that, just go back to the point in the video where you could see it and pause the video and copy. So next up, a full bottle of water weighs 0.5 kilograms. If the empty bottle of water weighs 42 grams, how much does the water inside it weigh? So since we're asking about the water inside the water bottle, that means we're asking for the insides, which is the net weight, meaning that we need to find the difference between the other two. We need to subtract to find the difference between these two. But what am I going to subtract from what? Well, I need to subtract the tare weight from the gross weight. And tare weight in this case would be the empty water bottle, so 42 grams, from the gross weight, which is the weight of the full bottle, so 0.5 kilograms. So I need to do 0.5 kilograms minus 42 grams. But wait, again, they are in different units of measurement. So I need to first convert one to the other. I'm going to convert the kilograms into grams by multiplying this number by 1,000. So I'm going to do 0.5 times 1,000, and it's going to become grams, minus 42 grams, which stays the same. 0.5 times 1,000 makes 500 grams minus 2 grams. And if you do this subtraction vertically, what you're going to get is 432 grams. Sorry, not 432. Sorry, my mistake. Don't know what I was thinking there. 458. Big mistake there. Sorry about that. So, the water inside the bottle weighs 458 grams. Copy that. Next up, we have another two problems. This should have a second L. This one says a full barrel of oil weighs 0.21 tons. If the oil inside it weighs 103 kilograms, how much does the barrel weigh? So the problem is asking about the barrel alone, the empty barrel. So that would mean it's asking for the tare weight, which means again I need to subtract these two. But what am I subtracting from what? Well, I need to subtract the net weight, which means the oil, from the gross weight, which means the full barrel. So I need to do 0.21 tons minus 103 kilograms. Now, again, they are in different units of measurement, so I'm going to choose to convert the tons into kilograms. So to do that, I need to do 0.21 times 1,000, and it becomes kilograms, minus 103 kilograms. 0.21 times 1,000 will give me 210 kilograms, minus 103 kilograms. And this subtraction is going to give me 107 kilograms. And there we go. So the empty barrel weighs 107 kilograms. Problem number 4 says an orange weighs, and this is the hardest one, so be careful with this one. An orange weighs 307 grams. To fill a crate, I need 200 oranges. If the empty crate weighs 200 kilograms, how much will 30 crates full of oranges weigh? So, okay, let's try to analyze this. Let's try and figure this out. We're going to figure this out by drawing. Okay, so let's see what we were being told. We are first being told the weight of one single orange, and that it is 3. Actually, I'm going to make it a little smaller because it's not going to fit. Let's say we're looking at it from far away. And single orange is 307 grams. All right. And this is something that you can do as well. Or if you're having a hard time with problems, you can try drawing the information that it's giving you or writing it down. It's very helpful. Next up, we are being told that we need 200 oranges to fill a crate. Okay, so maybe it should have been even smaller because we're not going to be able to make 200 oranges. Okay, let's say okay. And don't worry, this is going to go faster than this. See, now they're 4. Now they're 8. And now they're 16. And now they're 32. And now they're 64. Now they are 128. And now they are 256. Right. So here are all the oranges we needed, and more actually than we needed. So we're actually going to have to delete a few. We are going to have to delete 56, which means 16, 32, 48, 54, so there's 54, and then we're going to delete another 2. Okay, so let's imagine that this is our crate, but we need to also have it filled, so we're going to have to make the crate look smaller. So one full crate looks like this. All right, one full crate has 200 oranges. All right, and now it's asking us, given that just the crate weighs, the empty crate weighs 20 kilograms, how much will 30 crates weigh? All right, so now I moved even further away, and now I need to find out how much 30 crates weigh. So I would need to make way more of these. Way more. I'd have to make a whole bunch of these. So let's see. To figure this out, what we need to do is we need to figure out how much one full crate weighs. And then just say, well, and take that and multiply it by 30, because I need to find out how much 30 of them weigh, right? So what does one full crate have? One full crate has the empty crate and 200 oranges. Well, the empty crate is 20 kilograms. We know that. And 200 oranges, well, since each one weighs 307 grams, then their weight is going to be 307 times 200 grams. Now, 307 times 200, you can do that vertically, or you can figure out how much 2 times 307 is, and then just add 2 zeros at the end. It would be 614 with 2 zeros at the end, so 61,400 grams. All right. So this is what one full crate has, 20 kilograms and 61,400 grams. Okay, so let's figure that out. What is the full weight of the crate? Well, it's going to be what I get when I add one full crate, so 20 kilograms, plus all the oranges, so 61,400 grams. But again, we have a problem, just like we did before, because this is in kilograms, whereas this is in grams. So I first need to convert this into grams, or the other way around, and then add them. So this is going to be, to make kilograms into grams, I need to multiply the number by 1,000. So I'm going to get 20 times 1,000 plus 61,400 grams. And this is also in grams. 20 times 1,000 gives us 20,000 grams plus 61,400 grams. And adding this will give us 81,400 grams. But the problem is still not over, because remember, it's asking us not how much one full crate weighs, how much 30 full crates weigh. So to find the answer to that, I'm going to have to do the weight of one full crate, so 81,400 grams, times 30. Okay, so let's figure that out. We're going to have 3 zeros, 2 from here and 1 from here, and then we're going to have 2, 4, 24. Okay, that many grams. Okay, so what is this? This is 2,442,000 grams, or That could be my answer. I could just leave it like that, or I could translate this. I could convert it into kilograms, which would make more sense. And I would get 2,442 kilograms, right? Just by dividing this by 1,000. So my answer is going to be that 30 full crates will weigh 2,442 kilograms. And again, you could have just left this in grams, would have been the same thing. And there you go. That's the answer. That will be all for today. Do your homework. Do the worksheets that you have for tomorrow and Thursday. Any questions, you can leave them in the video or ask on the live meetings. So that'll be all for today. I will see you guys again on Friday. Bye.